Good morning, friends at home. And I just wanted to give a quick review of a few of these. Sorry, my camera's all crazy. I wanted to just give a quick review of about the first two of our syllabication today. Okay, so we're going to be doing this in little groups, so we wouldn't have an opportunity to record. So I'm going to go ahead and record this for you separately, just so that you have an idea of what you're supposed to do. Okay, so remembering our first step. So our first step is going to be copying the letters onto the sound lines. When they're the short little sound lines, we know that they only get one letter. Okay, so copying all of the letters. When we get to this big long sound line, I can see at the end here that I have a blend. Okay. Now, after I've copied the letters, we follow all of those steps that we do in syllabication. Finding our vowels, making our boat, labeling the consonants. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that on the first one. We've got E and we've got A. Those are our two consonants. Okay, we're going to make our boat. Oh, my marker's not working. We're going to make our boat and then label the letters in between. Now we can see that pattern, B, C, C, V, so we know exactly where to split this word. Okay. Now, we can't forget open and closed syllables. So the first syllable ends in a consonant, so it's closed. Our second syllable ends in a consonant, so it's also closed. So if I were going to read this word, I would have expand, expand. Okay, expand means to stretch. Now, I want us to look down at number 3 because I want to make sure that I talk about those blends. So the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to write the letters onto the sound lines. Now I get to that big long sound line and I see that I have a blend, S-T-R. So I'm going to put my blend on the sound line. Now I have a U, one letter, oh, and another blend. We have C-T. Okay, so lots of blends in this word. So same steps, we're going to find our vowels. I see an I see a U. We're going to make our boat. Now, in the middle, we need to remember that the blends come together. So we have our letter N gets a consonant. Our blend, S-T-R, str, also comes together. So we have one consonant for those 3 letters. Okay, now when I see my pattern, I have B, C, C, V. Okay, some of us are just getting confused, I think, because our neatness. Okay, our consonants coming over here by the R, and then we're splitting in the middle of the S and the T. Okay, so you need to split right between where those consonants are. Okay, you have your blend on one side, you have your consonant, your single consonant on the other. Okay, some of us are getting a little confused with that on our test. Okay, so looking at the first syllable, I see an ends in a consonant, it's closed. Second syllable ends in a consonant, consonant blend, CT, also closed. So when I read this word, I have in, struct, instruct. Okay, instruct means to like tell somebody to do something. So if you instruct somebody to get their folder out, then they should get their folder out. Okay, so I want you to do the rest of these on your own. You guys are getting really good at this. Okay, so I have faith that you can complete the rest of this on your own. Okay, if you have any questions, have your mom or your dad email me. So thank you so much, and we hope that you have a fantastic day. We're looking forward to seeing you all soon.